paper roses, paper roses, yeah. Happy November! Another week means another unboxing video with Dior. Hi, I'm Jabs. Most of you know me as misinformation.blog. Find me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Are you ready to open this box? Let's do this. Thanks again, Kath, for taking care of this order. I've been eyeing this Dior Prestige Le Micro-Caviar, the rose, for a year now. I tried my best not to buy this nail glow, but I realized that I really need it. Some freebies from Dior. Of course, one of my favorites, Dior Prestige La Creme in mini size. Vanilla Diorama is just like Miss Dior EDP with a stronger scent. So grateful to Kath of Dior SM Aura for this lovely gift with purchase. A second one in my collection. I will always have an extra of the Capture Totale Potent Serum, and also I'm glad to have another chance to use this Dior Backstage Primer. I call them beach bags for they are so perfect to use whenever you go to the beach. They are waterproof, and I believe that my boys will love to use these as well. I mean, the colors are just perfect for both men and women, plus the size is just perfect. Gotta love this Dior 2021 holiday packaging. Believe me or not, I did my best not to purchase this nail glow anymore, but I think I need it because lately I noticed that my nail turned a bit yellow, and this is helpful for that. I went in and out of this product because I'm quite unsure if this is 100% gonna work on my skin. Last year, it did not work at all, but for some reason, this year, it worked better, especially if I use the mask together with this elixir. Skin is more refined and tight after every use. Once you start the Dior Prestige addiction, you just can't stop it anymore. This product also helps in treating the active acne, and at the same time, it plumps your skin like no other. Have you tried smelling the caviar? Oh my, it smells so good and relaxing. You'll definitely want more. All Dior Prestige skincare products smell so good, plus it makes your skin supple and renewed. Skin is way different and better with Dior Prestige. What item is your favorite so far? Maybe you can join me again next time. See ya! Connect with me on Facebook, DM me on Instagram, or learn more about me on my blog, misinformation.blog. See ya!